Accounting's accounting, but there are a few special things about not-for-profits and about charities in particular. And so most not-for-profits are eligible for some kind of tax concession, so it might be that they're income tax exempt, they might have an FBT, a fringe benefit, tax exemption, or be eligible for a rebate. And some charities will have deductible gift recipient status, which means that donors to them are entitled to a tax deduction on those donations. So while those special charity and not-for-profit tax items aren't necessarily tricky, they are a bit different. And I do hear from time to time that clients have trouble trying to talk with accountants who don't understand those particular issues that the charities have to work with and have to comply with. We get it. We've been working in the industry for well over 20 years now. We understand what those compliance obligations are and we understand what the deadlines are. So we're ready to roll in terms of working with those special items. One of the things where not-for-profits are different from commercial organisations is where their income comes from. So it's often not based on sales, or certainly not entirely. So a lot of our clients are grant funded, so they get grants from state or federal government to do their work. A lot of them will do fundraising, so they will make fundraising appeals to the public and rely on public donations to fund their work that they do in the community. And another avenue is membership. So there's advocacy bodies within the community services sector and the associations, and there's many of them, who are membership based. So they rely on the membership fees from their constituents to fund the work that they do. So it's quite a different way of going about things than a business that might be selling items in a shop, for example. One of the things that I've found people who aren't familiar with not-for-profits have trouble getting their head around is salary sacrifice. So with charities, they're eligible with that fringe benefit exemption or rebate, their staff are able to sacrifice their salary up to a threshold. So that's quite a different way of going about things. You want to comply with it, you don't want to go over the thresholds because you'll pay a whole lot extra tax at that point. But we do find that it is something that people find a little bit unusual, I guess, when they enter the not-for-profit sector.